Step 2 of the PPI app is to input budgets or expenditure data. There are two ways to do this. First, if you don't have a detailed breakdown of government expenditure, the app prompts you to enter a single total budget amount. This is helpful for analysing the potential impacts of overall changes in public expenditure. Or, if you do have disaggregated expenditure data, you can download the spreadsheet to give the model a more complete budget. The first two worksheets in the template are where you enter your data. Each row in the first worksheet should be numbered with a unique Program ID number. Each number should correspond to a distinct government expenditure program. Then, in the expenditure column, add in the total spending for that program across the period covered in your data. The second worksheet is where we tell the model how the government expenditure programs relate to the indicators we uploaded in the first template. The first column lists all the indicators from that first spreadsheet template in step 1, but only the ones that we decided were instrumental in column H. Some expenditure programs will impact multiple indicators, and some indicators will be impacted by multiple expenditure programs. The template helps us to capture these overlaps in columns B to K. For each indicator in column A, we can specify all of the expenditure programs that are designed to influence it. And we can add extra columns if we need to. Save your file and upload it to the app. You should now be able to move on to step 3.